Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Let's see our today's topic. It is Unit 3. Name is The Hidden Sun, reading, word meaning and synonym antonym. Okay, I am telling again, it is Unit 3, reading, word meaning and synonym antonym. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 8 and homework number 7 on our half yearly syllabus. In this connections, I request all of my students of class 2 to open your open your buzzword book, page number 24. After opening your buzzword book, you will get it is The Hidden Sun, page number 24. Okay, and then you will go to page number 25. Dear learners, I want to show you the title again. It is Unit 3, The Hidden Sun. Okay, let's start. Long, long ago, the sun hid behind a hill, and there was darkness everywhere. The deer could not see the tigers. The elephant bumped into the trees. Bumped means jerked into the trees without knowing. And the rabbit hopped over the lions. So look at the situation. There was confusion everywhere. That means they did not know what should they do. This is the confusion. Next, the animals had a meeting to decide who would call out to the sun. I will call out to the sun. Here the lion is telling. Dear learners, look here. This is the meeting of the animals. I hope that you can see it. Okay, look. The lion decided to call out to the sun because he was the king of the forest. We all know lion is called the king of the forest. Next, the lion roared and called the sun. The lion roared and called the sun. Sun, sun, please don't run away from us. Come back and shine on us. So look here, the lion is calling the sun. Next, but the sun did not listen to the lion. But the sun did not listen to the lion. Now we will go to next page. So look here, the elephant called out next. He raised his trunk and trumpet. Trumpet means the elephant made a loud sound. This is trumpet. Sun, sun, please come back. But the sun did not listen to the elephant. Next, beautiful rooster. The beautiful peacock here. The beautiful peacock danced and pleaded. That means after that elephant, now it is the turn of peacock. Sun, sun, please come back. But the sun refused. That means it would not come, or it denied to come out. One after the other, all the animals called out to the sun, but he did not listen to any of them. Okay, now it is finally beautiful, colorful rooster. Finally, a colorful rooster offered to call the sun. Everybody laughed. So look here, look at the picture. Everybody laughed. The rooster should be allowed to try, because the lion was a fair leader. As the lion was the fair leader, now the lion gave a chance to the rooster. Now look here, the rooster stepped forward and gently crowed. So look, the rooster stepped forward and gently crowed. Cuckoo-do-cuckoo. Look here, this cuckoo-do-cuckoo. The sun peeped out from behind the hill. So look here, the sun peeped out. So we can see a portion of the sun. It is the peeped out of the sun. The sun peeped out from behind the hill to see who was calling. All the animals were surprised. All the animals were surprised. Now we will go to our next page. This is the last page. The rooster crowed again, this time a little boldly. Cuckoo-do-cuckoo, cuckoo, like here. Okay, the sun came up a little higher. Next, the rooster crowed for the third time. This time it was louder and bolder. and the sun rose high and bright. Kuku. Look, there was light everywhere and the animals were delighted. That means they were happy now. Okay, last. Ever since that day, when the rooster crows in the morning, the sun rises and shines in the sky. Dear learners, we have finished our interesting reading. It is the hidden sun. Now we will have word meaning and synonym antonym. Give your attention. So look, word meaning at first. First word is confusion. Look, confusion. Okay, here no one knew what to think or do. No one knew what to think or do. Pleaded. Look here, pleaded. Asked for something in a serious way. Here we see the beautiful peacock pleaded to the sun. Pleaded, asked for something in a serious way. Refused. Look at the word refused. Did not agree to do something. I am telling again, refused means did not agree to do something. Fair means judge or honest ruler. Okay. Fair, treating everything in the same way. There is no partiality here. Fair means treating everyone in the same way. Delighted. Last word meaning is delighted. Delighted means very happy. Now we have finished our 5 word meaning: confusion, pleaded, refused, fair and delighted. Now our last segment, this is synonym antonym. So look, word, synonym and antonym. First word is confusion. Confusion, okay. The synonym is doubt. D-O-U-B-T, doubt. Okay, confusion means doubt. Now antonym is confidence. C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-C, confidence. Next, boldly. B-O-L-D-L-Y, boldly. Okay, boldly means or synonym bravely. And boldly's antonym is timidly. Look at the word timidly or cowardly. Look at timidly. Next, refuse. Refused means disagree or denied. Look here, refused means disagree and antonym is accept. A-C-C-E-P-T, accept. Last word meaning fair. Fair means judge. I have told you it is honest. Okay, no partiality here. And the antonym is unfair. Antonym of fair is unfair. Now we have finished here 4 synonym antonym: confusion, boldly, refused and fair. Dear learners, look here. Look, our homework segment. It is homework number 7, synonym antonym. That means you will write the title synonym antonym, then word, synonym and antonym. You will write 4 synonym antonym of this: confusion, boldly, refused and fair. Dear students of class 2, I hope that you have understood unit 3, the hidden sun, all the reading, then word meaning and synonym antonym. Please keep practicing at home and do your homework properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.